Okay, so here we have taken the value voltage across the supply, which is the total voltage V1, voltage across the tube light, which is the resistive load. That's why we are taking a VR, V2 and V3, voltage across the choke coil, which is nothing but inductive circuit. So I am putting here V3 as VL. Okay, so power consumption by AC circuit, the formula is VI cos phi. Clear? So VI cos phi. So but for resistive load, VI cos phi. Is it correct formula for resistive load?
Yeah.
V into I. Because in resistive load, your voltage and current are in phase. So phi angle is 0. So cos phi, cos 0 is 1. Okay. So here we have to only use V into I in watts. Watts. Clear? Clear? Power consumption by choke. Power consumed by choke. V I cos phi. Here V particularly I'll say PR is VR over here. Here VL I cos phi. Yeah? No, I'm telling you, don't worry, I'm telling you, this is also in watts. And total circuit, of course, VI, VT, I cos phi. Here important is you should choose the value for cos phi. What value you are going to choose?
L1 cos phi would be 0.
Why?
Because don't have a major phase difference pi by 2 current.
Yeah.
For purely inductive.
Purely.
So purely inductive is a theoretical value. You will never find this value in practical
So
life.
in the phasor we draw it, we get VR minus VR.
Okay, so these values we have to find out, and that's why we need phasor diagram. That's why we need phasor diagram. By taking these value, take some scale for that, and we're going to draw a phasor diagram. Okay, so you have to help me for that. Okay, pay attention. Phasor diagram. Everyone, pay attention. Take a scale. Whatever will be the value over here, I'll take a scale for you. Right now, I'm putting some value, random value. So I'll take a scale for voltage. Let's say 20. Let's say voltage 20 volts is equal to 1 centimeter. And for current 0.1 ampere equal to 2 centimeter. Okay? डेटा है चल रहने दो, उतना तो है, बाद में स्ट्रेट कर, ठीक है? आई होप स्केल समझ में आ गया सबको? ओके, नाउ one reference vector you have to plot. I have 3 different values for voltage, only one value for current. Okay, so I'll take this reference current. Okay, I'll draw one vector over here, one phasor over here, that is current. Exactly how much length I should keep? As per scale, you have 0.3 ampere current, so 0.3, and we are taking 0.1 ampere is equal to 2 centimeter. So for current I, it has to be 6 centimeter. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. Then next is VR. I have to plot a VR. Voltage across a tube light. First of all, where should I draw? It's along with this line because it's a resistive circuit, and that's why voltage and current should be in phase. Okay. And again, how much is the value? Centimeter? 60 centimeter kitna divided by 20, 3 centimeter. Let's say over here something, I am getting VR, which is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to use a compass. Okay, and take the measurement for your VL value. How much it is? 200 divided by 20, 10 centimeter. So take the 10 centimeter measurement in your compass and put it over here and draw an arc at this point. This is the origin point for the compass for the VL, and draw an arc over here. यहाँ पे arc draw करना है, and again यहाँ पे भी arc draw करना है. Okay? Why? Because of course you have to plot a perpendicular after that. Okay? I'll tell you, don't worry. I hope this is finished. This is correct. Okay. Next. Last क्या रह गया? Total voltage 220 volts. So 220 divided by 20, 11 volt. from the origin, because this total voltage is nothing but the addition, vector addition of your VR and VL. Yes or no? So from the origin you have to take this measurement in your compass 11 centimeter, and from the origin you have to intersect this arc. First वाला जो arc था उसको intersect करना है. Somewhere here I am going to do it. Okay, I hope you are understanding it properly from the origin. From the origin. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then join this. And then of course ये value intersecting point you have to plot, then you will get a right angle triangle over here. You are getting two right angle triangle, and then you can apply trigonometry over here. See, you will get an angle here. I'll say phi. See, this is what your VL, this is what your total voltage. Here this is one angle phi, this is another angle phi. This I'll say phi L, this I'll say phi L, guys. Phi L, and this is total voltage phi T. Okay, take a protractor, and with the help of protractor measure this phi L. Measure this phi L is how much, and phi T is how much, and that's how you have to put this value here in phi L and phi T, and this is how you can do the calculations. Okay, how you can tally the calculation of your power consumption by tube light and power consumption by choke. It has to be approximately equal. किसी किसी का equal आ जाता है exactly, approximately equal आ गया तो भी चलेगा. It has to be approximately equal to your total power consumption. I hope you are getting it. How to draw this phasor diagram and how to do the calculations for power consumption. Clear है? Everyone clear? Clear?